Today's topic is 8 impressive broccoli nutrition facts and benefits. Broccoli is a cabbage family vegetable grown for its nutritious flower heads. Before starting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. So let's start. 1. Broccoli is one of the very low-calorie vegetables. Provides just 34 calories per 100 grams. Nonetheless, it is rich in dietary fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants that have proven health benefits. 2. Fresh broccoli is a storehouse of many phytonutrients such as thiocyanates, indoles, sulforaphane, isothiocyanates, and flavonoids like beta-carotene, cryptoxanthin, lutein, and zeaxanthin. 3. Fresh broccoli is an exceptionally rich source of vitamin C, providing 89.2 milligrams or about 150% of RDA per 100 grams. Vitamin C is a powerful natural antioxidant and immune modulator that helps fight against flu-causing viruses. 4. It contains good amounts of another antioxidant vitamin, vitamin A. 5. Broccoli leaves, green tops, are an excellent source of carotenoids and vitamin A, 16,000 IU of vitamin A per 100 grams, carrying these compounds many folds higher than that in their flower heads. 6. Fresh heads are an excellent source of folates. Contain about 63 micrograms, 100 grams, provide 16% of RDA. Studies have shown that consumption of fresh vegetables and fruits rich in folates during preconception and pregnancy helps prevent neural tube defects in newborns. 7. This floret vegetable is a rich source of vitamin K and the B-complex group of vitamins like niacin, vitamin B3, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, and riboflavin. 8. Furthermore, it is also a good source of minerals like calcium, manganese, iron, magnesium, selenium, zinc, and phosphorus. Prolonged cooking, boiling, and microwaving of broccoli have been found to destroy heat-sensitive vitamins like folate, antioxidant vitamins like vitamin C, and some of its anti-cancer phytonutrients. This is it for today's video. What do you think? Like and subscribe.